Okay, now that we're done with the large arm, we're going to focus on the short arm. And these are the main details for it. Again, once we're done doing those circles and spacing them at the right distance, we're gonna close off the arm and make sure that it looks something like this. And the shading inside of it, it's gonna be gray. We're basically going to do the same method that we used for the large arm. Then we're going to connect them to each other. So first things first, I am going to draw a small circle sketch. And actually what I want to do is I don't want to create a different sketch. I just want to open up the old sketch and edit it. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm going to draw it away from that large arm. Boom. That's my large circle. Just going to draw it there. Now I'm going to create a line that goes from the center to here to here. Now I'm going to turn it into a construction line. Okay. And now that I have them highlighted, I'm going to make them perpendicular to each other. Boom. Got it. Okay. Now I'm going to look at my drawing here. I need to draw, again, 2 more inner circles. And all the small circles are going to be, all the blue ones that you see here, are going to be the same size. And a medium-sized circle and a smaller circle, the bigger circles are going to be different sizes. So let's start with those. Oh no, wrong command. So I'm going to draw a circle here. I'm going to fix the size of it later. And there's another circle somewhere over here. Small circle. 1, 2. Okay. Alright, let's start. Now that we have all our circles, let's make sure that they're the right dimension. This one is going to be the same as the big one over there, which is going to be 1.25. Boom. We're going to double check with this. Yes, it's 1.25. Let's fix this one over here. Doesn't have a measurement, the medium-sized circle, because it's going to be the same as the one directly above it. So this circle and this circle are going to be the same dimension. All I have to do is click here and equals, boom, they're going to be the same size. Now this one over here and cancel. Okay, and I messed up because I was using the dimension. I forgot to unclick dimension. So now I'm gonna click here and here. So those 2 circles are supposed to be the same dimensions, the same diameter. Now I'm gonna click here, equal, boom. They're all the same diameter now. All right, so I'm gonna make sure that all my small circles are the same size. Again, look at my drawing here, and I notice that none of them are labeled. I'm going to click on my circle. Let's see. I'm going to click on this circle, and I'm going to click equal. So now they're the same size. Again, this circle, I'm going to click equal. So that happened because I clicked the center of the circle. So click those 2. It's going to be equal. This one and this one equal. And this one and this one and equal. Okay. And then finally, the dimensions for this one. Let's click dimension here. is going to be 0.313. Boom. Done. Alright, now I need to make sure that this circle is going to be coincident with this line right here. I'm going to click that. Wait. And now I'm going to click coincident. Boom. So now my circle, keep that front. So now that circle is going to be on that line. It's not going to move. Alright, so our circles are set. The dimensions for our circles are set. Now all we need to do is make sure that our distances are also set. So again, what I'm going to do is, you guys saw what happened there. I highlighted one and moved the other one, and both of them moved. Yeah, that happens. So now I'm going to set my distances 1.75 and 2.5, and this is 0.813. Should be easy. Again, I'm going to click dimensions from here to here, and that's going to say 1.75. Boom. Okay, that's set. Now I'm going to click from here to here. I forgot what the dimension is. I think it's 2.5. Yes, it's 2.5. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to click on the number 2.5. Boom. Now I'm going to set the distance from here to here, 0.813. Set. I'll leave it at that. And now I can focus on drawing my lines, my connecting lines, and that's easy. I just gotta click on the circle from here to here, click my line again, from here to here, click my line again, from here to here, from here to here. Boom, done. So those are my and notice that's the body of my arm, and all the inside of them are shaded blue. Are shaded gray. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use tangent again. So I'm going to click line and circle, and this is going to say tangent. Again, line, circle, tangent, line, circle, and tangent. Now, right now it seems that this line and this line are parallel to each other. You might have, by mistake, set that parameter so that they're parallel to each other. That is incorrect. You're gonna make sure. It might look like it, but that doesn't mean they're parallel to each other. So you would need to correct that. Line, circle, line, circle, tangent, line, circle, tangent, line, circle, tangent. Boom. Now I am missing one little piece, and that is my fillet. So I'm going to click fillet here. Now I have to pick my sides. So those two sides, and it's going to be 0.313. Okay, boom. I am done. Okay. And we're just going to move this over here. Alright, so now we're going to move the arm and connect it to the big arm. All I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and here, and I'm going to say, I'm going to click this circle, and I'm going to say that they're concentric to each other, and boom. Now they are attached to each other. And you can probably move that one too, I think. No, you should only be able to move one, I guess. That's it. That's what the arm looks like. And we are done with our arms.